Ever wondered why the phrase "trust your gut" holds more truth than you might think? It turns out the health of your gut is intricately tied to your overall well-being. The gut, home to trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria and fungi, plays a pivotal role in maintaining health. An imbalance in this ecosystem can lead to a host of health issues, from digestive disorders to mental health problems. So how can you ensure your gut stays in tip-top shape? The answer lies in your diet. Today we'll delve deep into the components of the best gut health meal. This meal is a medley of nutrient-rich foods that not only nourishes your body, but also keeps your gut microbiome in balance. First up, fiber-rich foods. Fiber is the fuel that feeds your friendly gut bacteria. It's found in abundance in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. By incorporating a diverse range of these plant-based foods into your meals, you ensure a broad spectrum of nutrients and fiber types reach your gut. Next, we have fermented foods. These are a treasure trove of probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that bolster gut health. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, and kombucha are all excellent sources of probiotics. Including a serving of these in your daily diet can help maintain a healthy balance of gut microbiota. Then, there are prebiotic foods. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that act as food for probiotics, helping them flourish in your gut. Foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, oats, and Jerusalem artichokes are all rich in prebiotics. Adding these to your meals can enhance the effectiveness of probiotics and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Don't forget about omega-3 fatty acids. These fats, known for their anti-inflammatory properties, play a role in supporting gut health. You can find omega-3s in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, and walnuts. Finally, we have anti-inflammatory foods. Chronic inflammation in the gut can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria and contribute to various health issues. Foods like turmeric, ginger, green tea, berries, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and olive oil can help mitigate inflammation and promote gut health. In summary, the best gut health meal is a balanced mix of fiber-rich foods, fermented foods, prebiotic foods, omega-3 fatty acids, and anti-inflammatory foods. By incorporating these into your diet, you can support a healthy gut microbiome, promote digestive health, and foster overall well-being. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy body and mind, so make your meals count.